I'm rocking my G-shock. 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 I'm rocking my G-shock.
What's up, YouTube? Gonna do a quick review of the GMWB5000 GD-9. This one is beautiful. Check this out. Nice gray display box. Here's the model number there, GMWB5000 GD-9. This one is the metal edition. I did a review on the silver one. You could check my videos and you'll see the review on the silver one there, but I thought I'd do the review. Although they're similar models, the only difference is the color. I thought I'll show you guys the watch nevertheless. And here's some manuals, information. Here's the extra links. Of course, someone had already sized this one. I bought it pre-owned. Didn't buy it new. It helped me save some money. Here's the metal tin can. Nice metallic silver case with a brushed aluminum look. Very cool, very nice design. Very nice, very nice. But let's get into the watch, which is what you guys came here for. And look at this beauty. Bring it out of there. Here's a tag. GMWB5000 GD-9 with a retail of $550 US. Holy moly. But is it worth the money? Well, hot daggity dog, I think it is. Let's put it on the wrist. Why the heck not? Look at that beautiful. Look at that beauty. Holy crud. Looks nice with a suit, I would think. Hell, it'll look nice with some shorts. Why not? But yeah, let's take a closer look at this watch. Like I said, I already did a review on the watch. Please, if you want more details on this specific model, I'll leave the link of the silver edition model at the end of this video. Please refer to that one. But let's take a look at this gold one. Nice gold brush display here. It's got the checkered solar panel display. Beautiful blue. It looks like a blue tinted digital display there. Very nice. The gold metal band. The G-shock trifold clasp. Like so. Nice hefty weight to it. This is Bluetooth. Solar powered Bluetooth. Tough solar. Very nice. Just feels hefty. Very nice design. Screw back on the back. Module 3459. So if you're looking for the instruction manual for this watch, Google G-shock 3459 manual and the link should pop up. Tough solar, Bluetooth design. Let's go through some of the functions here. World time, alarm, stopwatch, timer, and the day back to the home time. Here's your light. See how that looks. Hard to see, but it's pretty bright. And it has a nice little fade, so it fades out and in. Pretty cool. Here you go. Very nice color. Very nice watch. Go push this button here, see what that does. I think this is to set the home time. New York. Let's go to find Chicago here. That's how you set it. Should have went the other way. Probably going the long way. Chicago, back one. Yep, it was right. Was one right before that. Chicago. There you go. 12-hour format. 3:02 p.m. April 5th, 2019. Exit that by pressing this button. There you guys have it. There's a lot more functions on the Bluetooth aspect of this watch, but check out my other review. For now, I'll leave you guys with just the look of the watch. There it is. Very nice. Very nice. I'll show you guys some images of the watch in the wild so you guys can take a look at how it looks. That's it, guys. See you guys soon. Till next time, this is Chicago. Travel and I'm out, guys. Peace.
Money on my mind, I got my G-shock watch. Plus I'm super fly. I'm rocking my G-shock. I'm rocking my superstar. I'm rocking my